Right, so in question 6 we're using the idea of this ratio of k to 2k in reverse by saying that if we know that this line is a median, so if these lines are equal, and we know that the ratio here is happening, then what we can say for sure is that this point is the centre of gravity. So we need to keep that logic in mind as we go through this video. So what we can see here is that we're told that BD is a median. Okay, so that means that these lines here are equal. Now what we can also see is, let's call this length KGD, and let's call this length here K as well. So that's using this bit of information here. The other thing that we haven't looked at is also CE. So that's this line here, which tells us that these lines, these segments here are equal because it's a median. Sorry, I noticed just now that these lengths here already have the single dash. Maybe we should use 3 dashes for these ones, just to differentiate that these are not equal lengths here. Right, so that's all of the information in the question. We're asked to find AK, which is this length here. Let's keep it in green here, AK. All right, so what we can do here to make this a little bit easier is to draw in the other median. So that's from A to G, we know must be a median. We can continue this to the other side if we like. So now that we've drawn that length, we can see that we've got this triangle here, ABG, and we can also see that we've got EG as a median there of this triangle, and the line AF is also passing through that. Now, if we can show, as I was saying, if we can show that this length BF here is also the same, if it's also K, then we could see that AF is a median. And actually we can do that because we're told that BD is a median, which means that this proportion works. So K to 2K. So we can say for sure that that length is also equal to these two lengths here, which means that AF is a median, and we can use this ratio of 4 to 2K, so AK must be 8. Notice that units are given, so we should say 8 centimetres. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you in another one.